Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel at Softtrix. We specialize in delivering the data-driven high-performance digital marketing solutions. Today we are diving into an exciting case study where we helped an e-commerce business specializing in home and lifestyle product boost its online sales through the optimized Google AdWords campaign. The client offers a wide range of high-quality home products from smart home devices to kitchen appliances, furniture and more. Despite having a great selection of the product, they were struggling with the disapproved product feeds, high cost per click and some low sales. But through our targeted strategies, we were able to turn things around and achieve remarkable results. So let's break down the steps we took to optimize their campaign and improve their product visibility and deliver impressive returns. Campaign setup and the product feed optimization. When the client came to us, they had a number of issues with their Google Merchant Center. Several of their products were disapproved, preventing them from reaching the potential customers through the Google Shopping ads. Our first task was to review the feed and ensure that all the product details, including the title, description and the images, were properly formatted and adhered to the Google policies. We fixed all these errors and then resubmitted the products for approval. So next we have optimized the product feed by working closely with the client to ensure the data was as detailed and accurate as possible. This included improving the product title, updating the product description to more keyword rich and enhancing the image quality. We also ensured that all the required attributes such as the size, color and the availability were correctly filled out to increase the likelihood of the approval and improve the product's visibility in the Google Shopping results. Segmentations and the campaign setup. Once the feed was approved and optimized, we have moved on to setting up the Google Shopping campaigns. We have segmented the product based on the performance and the client's objectives. Products with the lower sales and the poor performance were grouped into their own campaigns, allowing us to focus on improving their performance through the targeted optimization. By segregating the products into various categories, we were able to allocate budget more efficiently. We have focused on the product with the highest potential of conversion and reduced the ad spend on the product that were not performing that well. This allowed us to refine the targeting and ensure that the budget we have spent on the most profitable products. The next is the refining location and the app placements. We have also analyzed the location data to identify the regions where the client was not generating any sales. By reviewing the geographic performance, we have found that the specific locations where sales were lagging. We have adjusted the targeting to exclude these regions, ensuring the ads are only shown in the areas with a proven track record of generating sales. This helped reduce the wasted ad spend and increase the overall return on investment. Additionally, we have refined app placements and the other placements where the client was not seeing the sales. This helped ensure that the ads were only shown on some high converting placements, further optimizing the spend. Testing PMAX campaigns. We have tested the PMAX campaign both with and without the assets to see which performed better for the client. PMAX campaign, which are designed to automatically optimize the performance across Google's entire inventory, are particularly effective for businesses looking to drive sales across multiple Google channels, including the search, display, YouTube and the Gmail. PMAX with the assets. We have incorporated the additional assets such as the images, videos and the product descriptions into the campaign, enabling us to fully leverage the Google's machine learning capabilities. This allowed us to create the ads where we have personalized to the user's behavior, increasing engagement and the conversion rates. PMAX without assets. On the other hand, we have also tested the campaign without these assets to see if a more straightforward approach would work better. By comparing the two, we were able to identify which strategy generated the high returns and allowed us to refine the overall approach. Audience refinement and the testing. We have defined the audience for each campaign based on the factors such as the demographic, interest and the previous website activity. By segmenting the audience more effectively, we were able to show some more relevant ads to users who were more likely to convert, boosting the overall campaign performance. Furthermore, we have tested various audience segments to identify the most profitable groups. For example, we have targeted users who had previously interacted with the website but had not made a purchase, as well as users who had shown interest in the similar products through the remarketing campaign. For the remarketing campaign, to ensure we have captured users using our in-house creative team. We developed compelling images and the videos that showcased the client's product in the best light. These dynamic ads were displayed to users who had previously interacted with the website, encouraging them to return and complete their purchase. This strategy was effective in recapturing the potential customers who had shown interest but did not follow through, driving them back to the site with the incentive of tailored ads. Competitor research and the market trend analysis. To stay ahead of the competition, we have conducted thorough competitor research to analyze their product offerings, advertising strategies, and target markets. By understanding which products were performing well in the market, we have adjusted the client's campaign to align with the marketing trends and focus on the product that were likely to see higher sales. This research also informed the product selection within the campaigns, ensuring that the most popular products with the highest sale potential were prioritized. We have adjusted the bids according to ensure the most profitable product received the most attention. The next is the product ratings. We have also enabled the product ratings in the Google Merchant Center, which significantly helped increase the user trust and the CTR. So having ratings and the reviews displayed alongside the products gave customer confidence in the product they were purchasing, leading to higher conversion rates. Benefit of the product ratings: increased trust and the credibility. Products with the positive rating tend to perform better because customer trusts the experience of the others. Higher CTR. The ads with the ratings and the reviews get more clicks as users are more likely to engage with the product that have been positively reviewed. Improved ROI. By showcasing the quality products through the rating, we were able to attract more qualified sales. So now in terms of the results of these efforts were outstanding. So after implementing these strategies, the clients saw a significant increase in sales, achieving a ROAS of 17.23. Over the course of the campaign, we have generated around $243,000 in terms of revenue, with a remarkable success considering the initial challenges they have faced. The client was extremely happy with the performance and the return on their investment. So now in terms of the conclusion, this case study demonstrates the power of a well-executed Google Shopping campaign combined with thorough product feed optimization, refined targeting, and the ongoing campaign testing. By focusing on the key elements such as the segmentation, audience refinement, and the marketing, we were able to drive significant sales growth for the client. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your PPC campaign, and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. We can still get you the plan of action. You can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research, and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.